In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions, bills, and expenses in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your receipts, bills, and supporting documents attached directly to your transactions is one of the best ways to stay organized and be ready for audits, tax time, or simply answering questions about what a charge was for. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to attach documents to an existing bill or expense in a clear, simple way. First, open the transaction you want to work with. This could be a bill from a vendor or an expense you recorded for something like supplies or travel. Start by navigating to the appropriate area in QuickBooks Online, such as the Expenses or Vendors section, and find the specific transaction in your list. Once you see it, click to open it so that you're on the full transaction details screen. Take a quick moment to confirm that this is the correct bill or expense by checking the vendor name, date, and amount. Next, look for the Attachments option. In most layouts of QuickBooks Online, you'll see an Attachments label, often with a small paperclip icon. This is typically located toward the bottom of the transaction window, below the main details like the date, category, and amount. If the window is small, you might need to scroll down slightly to see it. Once you've found that Attachments area, you're ready to add your document. Now it's time to upload your file. Click on the Attachment button or the area that says something like Drag and Drop Files here, or click to upload. This will open a file browser window on your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where you've saved your receipt, invoice, or any other supporting document, select the file, and confirm to upload it. If you prefer, you can simply drag a file from your desktop or folder and drop it directly onto the Attachments area. QuickBooks Online will then upload and attach the document to that specific transaction. Give it a moment if the file is larger, such as a scanned PDF. Finally, make sure you save your work. After the file finishes uploading and you see it listed in the Attachments area, click the Save or Save and Close button on the transaction. This step is crucial because if you close the transaction without saving, the attachment will not be stored. Once saved, your document is officially linked to that bill or expense and can be opened anytime you view the transaction in the future.